6 squared minus 6 divided by 6 times 6. Easy. 6 squared gives us 36. And 6 divided by 6, which equals 1, and this times 6 as it is. Okay, in next step, 36 minus 1 equals 35. And this times 6. Now multiply them both. 35 times 6 gives us 210. Yes! Wait, 210? But, shit, that's wrong answer. Do you know where's the mistake? Let me tell you, as we didn't follow the rule of mathematics, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, where priority shifts from left to right, here first we have to solve P, which stands for parentheses, then E, which stands for exponent, then M, which stand for multiplication, D stand for division, here A stand for addition, and lastly S stand for subtraction. One thing keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to start from left to right, and same goes for addition and subtraction. For all such mathematical operations, we have to start from left to right's order. Okay, all right, in this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, one subtraction, and one exponent. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do exponent. So 6 squared equals 36. After then division, such as negative 6 divided by 6 equals negative 1, and times 6. Guys, focus here. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so we do multiplication first. Okay, 6 times 1 equals 6, and write this 36 with this negative sign as it is. 36 minus 6, In next step, 36 minus 6 gives us 40, and it's our answer. So the correct answer for today's problem, 6 squared minus 6 divided by 6 times 6, is 30. Want more math hacks? Click the video below.